Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by updating to Premiere Pro 2024 or later and enabling generative refill. Open Preferences and toggle AI features on to access generative tools. Sign in with your Adobe account for cloud models and assets. Ensure your workstation has at least 16 GB RAM and 8 GB GPU RAM for smooth generation. Turn on GPU acceleration using CUDA on Windows or Metal on Mac OS for faster rendering. Restart Premiere after changes, so begin a new sequence at 1920x1080 and import your footage to the timeline. Use generative refill on a selected clip to remove unwanted objects or extend backgrounds seamlessly. Apply text-based editing to cut or rearrange dialogue using the transcript for fast edits. Use speech-to-text to generate captions and refine spoken phrases with edit markers. For B-roll, open the generative panel, type style and duration prompts, and preview generated clips before placing them on the timeline. After generating content, refine frames using Lumetri color and matching masks for consistency. Inspect frame transitions and add manual keyframes where generative edges need smoothing. When ready to export, choose H.264 at 1920x1080 with a target bitrate of 10 Mbps for balanced quality and file size. Enable GPU encode if available to speed up exports. Keep prompts specific about style, subject, and camera angle, and iterate quickly for better results. Archive original clips and exported masters to retain full editing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.